Hello, all. We are coming with a really great news for students and even for the developers who are working in an industry. Yeah, first, I want to give some hype for this. Just listen this music. I actually love this song. So it's time to start learning the great things. Okay, so far we have learned HTML5, CSS3, and Bootstrap basics and the JavaScript fundamentals. Of course, if you didn't learn, okay, no problem. I will show you the path for that. So the big thing is we are going to start the training on React.js, Redux, and the great framework called Next.js, and we are going to build the application now with the TypeScript, and we are going to learn Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB, and we are going to implement the authentication authorization part with the help of JWT tokens. Okay, this is really awesome. And we are going to cover unit testing also, and at the same time we are going to learn how to test the React application with the help of React testing library, and we are going to use the storybook. Okay, maybe if you're not aware, don't worry, I'm going to explain each and everything for you, and we are going to use the GitHub. Okay, so that you will get a real-time experience. And we are going to use the Jira tool, okay, for that, and we are going to follow the agile methodology because everyone e-commerce development and nowadays everyone is following the agile methodology. So from the student level itself, you should have a habit to follow this agile methodology, and you should be very good at GitHub and everything. Okay, not only this, I think I have mentioned all the big things, but like mongoose and lodash, super important, like npm packages or JavaScript packages. Okay, and finally we are going to recreate Amazon. Yes, what we are going to do? We are going to recreate Amazon application with the help of HTML5, CSS3, and we are going to use the Bootstrap. And this time we are going to build application with the TypeScript, and not only React. We are going to use the Next.js framework that is really awesome, and even monorepo, like we can use the monorepo also while doing the development. So what else you need actually? I think we are going to use all the important things. Yeah, if you feel that if we are missing something, just mention in the comment section so that I will cover that one as well. Enough. So when we are going to start? We are going to start on March 22nd. Okay, timings I will confirm very soon. And what are the prerequisites? Okay, this time normally people, whenever you are going to attend any kind of training on React.js, I've observed that if you they used to say that, okay, if you know the fundamentals of JavaScript and if you know little bit HTML, if you know little bit CSS, you can join. So no, I'm not going to say that because it's not that much easy to learn all these things. It's very difficult to digest this concept without having a good knowledge in JavaScript. If you are not good in JavaScript, please focus on JavaScript first. Once you got the confidence and if once you understand all the fundamentals and the important concepts in JavaScript, then only coming to the React.js. That's my personal suggestion. Okay, because if you don't understand JavaScript properly, you can't understand the concepts in React and especially Redux. And if you don't understand JavaScript, how it is possible to understand the TypeScript? Okay, so everything is interrelated. So my humble request is, yes, if you want to join these trainings, okay, you should be at least good in JavaScript and HTML and CSS, and you should have a basic knowledge in at least one CSS framework, because Even in this training also, if I start teaching each and every concept in JavaScript, it's going to be time waste. So still we have 1 month time to start this training, so that if you want to attend these trainings, first you should focus on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And okay, from where you need to learn JavaScript? Okay, like hundreds of tutorials are there in the YouTube. Okay, I will suggest few important tutorials for you. Okay, so the first one is Namaste JavaScript by Akshay Sen. Okay, I hope if you're already as a JavaScript developer,
JavaScript is
definitely you are aware. So here in this, Akshay Saini has explained beautifully each and every concept. So my humble request is at least you should understand these
अभी आया है
concepts.
बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट
Okay, this Namaste JavaScript playlist. Okay, this 21 videos. At least if you know that, then it's easy. Otherwise, it's very difficult. At least that's my opinion. And HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. I will suggest really simple videos for you. So just go to the Code Evolution, because Code Evolution is a fantastic thing. You can find everything in Code Evolution. Okay, this is my favorite YouTube channel. Vishwas is a great trainer. Code Evolution. Okay, I will explain. Everything is there. Even
Hey
JavaScript
guys,
is there, React is there, Next.js is there, Node.js is there. Everything is there in this playlist. All the things. Of course, I have learned React from Vishwas only. Thanks, Vishwas and Akshay Saini. Many trainers are there. I will explain about them. So if you see, everything is there. So at least here, what I'm suggesting in this tutorial, for at least who don't know JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Okay, he is just added hundreds of playlists. I need to find out, like, just a minute. Well, at least I should be ready with this. Where is that playlist? Mm, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Somewhere I'm missing the fundamental. Yeah, okay. Crash course. Okay, sorry for wasting your time. So I
this
think
video is sponsored by Taskade.
so. You will get a playlist. Okay, if you see HTML crash course 56 minutes, and CSS crash course around 1 hour, and a Flexbox and great. Yeah, definitely you should aware of that. And even if you want to focus on JavaScript fundamentals and advanced JavaScript crash courses, asynchronous JavaScript, yes, please follow this. And like, my suggestion is HTML, CSS, and grid, and these things, and JavaScript fundamentals, and then go with the Namaste JavaScript. Here, this is awesome. So if you follow these two things, that's more than enough. Even if you need a few more suggestions, I will give you. So web simplified is really another very good YouTube channel for us. Everything. So you can find fantastic information here.
The new you
So just go and you can find
today we're going
like
to build
all the information about JavaScript and even React, and lots of things are there. So please follow this. Of course, not only these things, you can whatever you feel is good, you can go and learn those things. Okay, and even so, if you want, in even I have covered all these things in our YouTube channel also. I prepared a separate playlist for JavaScript world. So our you can go like playlists. So here if you see, I prepared around 69 videos already. I'm going to fill with minimum 100 or 120 in by March 22nd. So you can follow this also. But normally when I'm teaching, I will take more time to explain each and every concept. So if you feel bored in that, so just please try with any of these things. Okay, nothing wrong, because I've learned from them only. So I'm happily suggest all the great information for you. So, and even if you want to learn fundamentals of HTML and CSS, we have UI world. Okay, here I prepared around 19. Here in this video, in this playlist, I covered HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap basics. And here in JavaScript world, it's completely uh, JavaScript. All the so here, so if you see, I covered like data types and the history of a JavaScript, loops, arrays, object, functions, execution context, what's written, and document object model, array methods. Okay, it's call by value, call by reference, and scope chain, hosting. Of course, I learned from Akshaseni and I try to explain in my own way. That's it. Closures, first class functions, higher order function, factory functions, constructor function, prototypes, classes, okay, inheritance, and arrow function, asynchronous JavaScript, and event loop, okay, event loop, event listeners, event handlers, okay, fetch API, higher order functions, many more, okay, and all important array methods also. Of course, I'm going to explain promises and other important concepts also mm, in coming days, so you can learn. But what I'm suggesting, before joining this training, whether you will learn from your friend or training center, whatever it is, YouTube channels, that's that's your choice, but you should be good in HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap basics, and you should be very good in JavaScript. Okay, I'm not saying that if you have a basic knowledge, no, basic knowledge is not enough to understand to become a very good developer. So don't be hurry, because JavaScript full stack development, lots of things are there, and without having a strong foundation in JavaScript, it's very difficult. For that only, I'm saying. So I think I've covered all the important things. And if you have any questions, you can ping me in the comments, or you can send me an email. So that of course I will come up with another video, like what are the prerequisites and how to join the sessions. And even if you before that, if you have any questions, I will cover all the things in a separate video. Hope this is going to be very helpful. So if you feel this information is very helpful, please click on like button so that this information will spread to many students. For that only, okay, I'm not I don't want to earn money from YouTube. So even if we get any money, definitely we will utilize to help students only. Okay, that's mm, the promise for SVGI channel, YouTube. Okay, fine. So if you feel this information is very helpful, please analyze all these things. And if you feel this is really important for your career, so please join with me. And okay, how to join, I will definitely provide another video. Don't worry about that. First, just spread the information to the many people. Then we can start. Okay, when we are going to start? March 22nd. Okay, March 22nd, Ugadi festival, Gudi Padwa. Uh, like, on that day, we'll just start the introduction session. After 2 days, we are going to enter into the training. Okay, hope you will enjoy this training. Of course, I'm really exciting to start this thing. Okay, thank you and namaste, namaskaram. Bye bye.